Hello there, Dr. Saxon here. I just wanted to hop on to talk a little bit about something I noticed this week. So I had two patients for a deep plane facelift this week. One was local, and so we've been seeing her for a few months doing skin treatments, including Morpheus8, to prep her skin for her facelift. The other patient had flown in from Portland, Oregon. So even though she had very similar skin, very thin skin, and I told her that can help her results, but there was no place that she trusted to have those treatments where she lived. So she had not had Morpheus8. Now, there is a lot of misinformation out there about Morpheus8 before facelift, and what I find is it actually helps me do surgery more effectively. So in surgery this week, when I had lifted up the skin in the patient that had Morpheus8, her skin was a lot healthier, a lot thicker. I was able to hold it with skin hooks a lot better. I was able to lift more easily because I could grasp that skin better. And it didn't affect the tissue planes at all because she had those treatments in our office. We control the settings, we control the depths. I find that doing both a pass with 1 millimeter and a pass with 2 millimeters is the most you need without going too deep or disturbing any of the fat in the face. And so I didn't see any problems with the tissue planes in her surgery. I didn't see scar tissue. I didn't see any of that. So her tissue planes were undisturbed and pretty easy for me to do. Now, the second patient that I had yesterday that flew in from Portland, she hadn't done any skin treatments like that, particularly Morpheus8. She had done some Fraxel in the past, but Fraxel doesn't go quite as deep as Morpheus8 and doesn't do the same thing that I see. Morpheus8 in particular thickens the dermis of the skin. And so for her, it was a little bit harder to grasp the tissue. Sometimes we hold tissue with tiny little skin hooks, and it was difficult for me to hold the skin with skin hooks without them wanting to pull through. So I had to be a lot more delicate. It took me a little bit more time. Both patients ended up with a great result, but I just wanted to hop on so that you're not afraid to do Morpheus8 before your facelift. Even if it's right before your facelift, I think it actually helps if done by the right person with the right settings. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'd be happy to answer anything for you. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.